What up, my peoples?
What up, what up? We are done.
And out of here. We just wrapped up our summer season at the work camping job.
And now we are headed to Idaho.
Who you calling a hoe?
There's only one problem. Okay, well, not one problem. A lot of different problems.
Yeah, we're headed right into the fires.
And if that wasn't bad, we're in the middle of a heat wave right now.
Yeah.
It's almost 100 degrees. Let's take this on the road. I can't stand it being out here anymore. It's too freaking hot. We are on Highway 22, headed towards Sisters, Oregon.
And we still don't know where we're staying.
No, this highway can be shut down at any time, and we might have to go a different way. We don't even know.
What up, everybody?
What up, what up?
I'm Ruben.
And I'm Lori.
We are
Life After Kids, Journey Unknown.
A couple of free birds who decided to sell everything and live full-time in a classy motorhome.
In order to find a purpose beyond parenting.
Seek adventures.
And reignite passions.
So come along as we figure out this nomad lifestyle.
And hopefully we can inspire you to
feel the freedom.
I love our lives! Woo! Don't forget to smack that subscribe button.
Karate chop that notification bell to see when all our videos drop. Don't miss a thing.
No, because it's going to be a bumpy ride. Let's go!
Buckle up, Buttercup.
This is nerve-wracking, guys. Driving into fire, it's just like you can see it's starting to get smokier and smokier in the distance. So it's just like, and you're going that direction. If it's not one thing, it's another thing. I guess in RV life. I don't know if it's just me or tell me if you guys get like that too. Like we were in the KOA for so long at the campground that not used to being out in the road. I kind of get a little bit anxiety before going out, like worrying about everything, because you're comfortable when you're at the campground and not going anywhere, not moving. Now that your whole house is moving again, it's a little bit unnerving. So having a little bit of anxiety about that, but I'm feeling a lot better now that we're actually out. What about you?
Actually, at first, I dread it because it's packing up and doing all the little things that you got to do before you leave. And then I'm fine when I'm on the road and we're checking out new places, like right here, like along the water. It's beautiful. The trees along the side, but it's the anxiety of getting it going.
I mean, is it because we're new that this is feeling like, all of this anxiety about going back out there again? Woo! Because, anything can happen. Our house is, this is our house. If any of you out there feel exactly the same way we do, and we're not alone, let us know.
Now, the other anxiety is we don't know where we're going to stay. So hopefully we find a good spot.
Boondocking? Come on, baby, come on. Let's get a good spot.
The only way we're going to stop is if we find a spot near the water for free. But as of right now, we're going to keep driving.
Pray for us. Update on the fires. So far, everything, it looks a little hazy, but we can't smell the smoke yet. So that's a big plus. So far, so good. We're just getting into the depths of Oregon. So hopefully everything continues to be a-okay. I was hearing some noises. We're gonna have to pull over. Well, we got a little bit of a problem here. The vent opened up as we were driving, and so now Ruben's up there taping it up so it won't open again. So why aren't you taping it?
What?
Why aren't you taping it? You can't hear me. Why aren't you taping it?
It's shaking because the car's coming by.
You ready?
Give it to Daddy.
Hello. Band-Aid applied. And now it's time to hit the road, baby.
Let's go. Wow, is that lava?
Oh my gosh, it is.
Holy crap. There's actual lava fields out here. Oh, I guess this is kind of a mountain, and so I guess they had lava here once. If you know about it, let us know. Tell me about it. I don't feel like looking it up. I'm too lazy right now. I'm on vacation mode.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We are officially in Deschutes National Forest.
What is that mountain that looks like a hat? Is that Mount Hood?
That is Mount Sombrero. It's so old Mexican.
Shut up. Oh, we are smelling it now. You know when your clothes smell like campfire? That's the way it kind of smells right now. You're like, you can smell it. You know what I'm talking about. You know what I'm talking about.
God, we made it to Bend, Oregon.
Oh my gosh. That was a long drive right now.
Oh, my knees hurt.
It's a little smoky. My nose is starting to get a little irritated. And I'm getting a little bit of... Baby, why are you behind me?
Because I'm trying to go to the bathroom, damn you.
He's got to
jerk.
go. He's got to go potty. I was like, why are you walking ahead of me? He never walks ahead of me. He's got to go potty.
Yeah, I know we have a bathroom, but I'd rather use Fred Meyer's.
And it's nice and cool in there, and it's freaking hot still.
Yeah.
Whew. All right. Go to the bathroom. I'm gonna walk around. We'll see you back on the road. All right, we just got all gassed back up
Oh, yeah.
in Bend, Oregon, and now we're deciding to continue. It's about 5:30. It's just so hot still outside that it's really uncomfortable if we stay anywhere right now.
Yeah.
So we just decided just to continue.
Forward.
Fire update. So far, again, the road looks clear. There is a lot of smoke in the air. It's not too bad. Hopefully soon the temperature will break to where we'll feel comfortable enough to stop and stay somewhere, because right now it's still saying 91 degrees. It's hot.
See the big cloud penis? It's Mother Nature telling us to go get effed. Looking pretty terrible out there.
Whoa, I can smell it now.
It is big time campfire smell.
Oh, it feels like you are just reeking of campfire.
Oh yeah. It's like the campfire's right outside our rig.
I think that's another reason why we're pushing it, because we don't want to get stuck in Oregon. We want to get out of Oregon. We're tired of Oregon. Just because of that reason. I mean, you don't know if all these roads are going to get shut down.
It's all chance.
And then we got to go all the way down to California.
Wait. When did we say we were going to California?
I'm just saying, if all these roads are closed, we're just going to have to go all the way down to California.
I'd rather go through the fire. I don't want to go to California.
Also, if you haven't smacked that subscribe button, what are you doing? Come on.
Karate chop that notification bell.
Yeah, so you can know when all of our videos drop. Sun is setting. And I think we found a place by a lake. Well, a reserve. Whatever the heck what that means.
Water.
There is water. So we're gonna get there right before sunset. I found this campsite on freecampsites.net. That is one of the websites I use to find campsites. That is one of my favorites. A lot of people don't really know about that one because usually people use the apps. This one you actually have to go online. There is no app for it. But other than that, I use Campendium, iOverlander, and the Harvest Host app. Those are the ones that we use the most. All right, we just pulled in.
Yeah, made it before sunset, before it got dark. Because you know what? There's no lights here.
No, we're in the middle of nowhere.
Oh my goodness. I don't know if that's going to be water I want to get in.
Oh, this was a bunny rabbit. I don't care. It's somewhere to park.
Yeah, no, I'm parking. This is awesome.
All right. That is not where we're parking. We drove around and we found a spot, and now we're gonna go pay. I can't get it in.
I've heard that one before.
Here is our spot for the night. Ooh. Whew. It's been a long day today.
Another big driving day. Why do we pick such long driving days? Jeez,
I don't know. Because we're always in a hurry.
Yeah.
We have no patience.
We want to get places.
All right, so we're exhausted.
Yeah.
We're going to hit the hay.
Yeah.
Well, eat something, hit the hay, and then decide which path we're going to take in the morning. So we'll see you in the morning.